I got this Joyroom phone mount and it has two features that I really love. So it attaches to the back of your iPhone using the MagSafe. It's magnetic. You just pop it on and off. And then the other cool thing is it has this little handle right here to help you slide it on and off. And so I like the fact that right here it opens up. And so if you're stuck somewhere, you can go ahead and use it this way or this way, and you can watch Netflix, what have you. And then on the back, the feature that I really love is it has these little mini suction cups. And so I'll go ahead and I'll take my phone and I'll just mount it and press it like so. And then I'll take videos and do little outfits of the day, things like that. And then when I'm ready to take it off, I just pull it and I go back to this little handle right here. And as you can see, it's really strong. I'll go ahead and pop it right off. So with the suction cup, you don't have to worry about your phone falling or anything. It's really strong. And then the other thing I like is not only can you use this as a stand for your phone, but you can also use it as a holder. Like I mentioned, I like to record and take videos. So I'll turn on my phone and then I'll use this and hold my phone whichever way, and it just makes it really easy for me to record myself. So all in all, it's really easy to use. You don't have to set anything up. You just pop it on and off and it's magnetic. And then if you don't have the magnetic feature on your phone, no worries. It actually comes with a little set that helps you to apply this. So you'll just use a little adhesive. It's really easy to get it on. So you can use it on any type of phone and it's just really great to use.